In this video, I would like to show you how you can install Mac operating system on your VirtualBox. I tried this method and it worked on my system. Just to let you know, it didn't work on when I was trying to install Catalina on my High Sierra system. So I tried to install Catalina on the VirtualBox, but my main machine is running on High Sierra. But I believe this method will work if you have a Catalina system. So yeah, give it a try if you have a Catalina system and you are trying to install Catalina on the VirtualBox. If it didn't work, if it doesn't work for you, just leave it in a comment box so that other people can know that it doesn't work. But I'm pretty sure it will work. If I had a Catalina system, I would try it, but I just don't want to install the whole system to try this method. Anyways, and for the Mojave user, if you have Mojave and if you want to install Mojave, then just try this method. It might work for you, and all the links for the download the files and the software will be in the description. So if you don't know, you should know that VirtualBox, each version have its own extension pack. You cannot mismatch, so you cannot download like VirtualBox 5 and you install the extension pack for VirtualBox version number 6. That can make some trouble. Or double click on the icon to start copy the file to your application folder. This may take a little bit time, but most of the software you install in Mac system, you actually drag your application to your application folder, but this one actually do it automatically. So just follow the application installation process. So after successfully installation, you can run your application from your application folder, or you can launch it from the launch bar. I mean the launch pad. So just search it on just start typing the VirtualBox and it will show it up. I actually installed the VirtualBox from version number 5. I did not uninstall the system. So just to make sure that I installed the correct version, I would just like to check from the about, and you can see now it shows VirtualBox 6, so it installs correctly. And now I have to install the extension pack for the system. In order to do that, you can just go to your VirtualBox menu and go to the preference and go to the extension tab, and in the right corner you can see the green button. Yeah, you can just click on it and install the VirtualBox extension pack for version 6. It's up to you. If you want to read the agreement, you can read it. I'll just say agree and put this password on it, and this will take a couple of seconds to install the extension pack on the system. So now you can go to the Apple website and download your operating system. You can download Macs like High Sierra or Catalina or Mojave, whatever you want. And for this purpose, I'm going to show you the High Sierra. So I will download the High Sierra on my system and actually install that operating system to the VirtualBox. So for this purpose, you have to open up your App Store, and that will be actually open up from your browser automatic. So just click on it and it will open the App Store, and you will have the option to download it. Don't install it because you are actually in the main system. So just download the operating system. So once you click the download button, it may take several minutes to several hours. It depends on your internet speed, and this will actually automatically download the operating system to your application folder. So don't cut paste this system to anywhere else. Just keep it there, because this method actually look for the operating system to your application folder. So if you go to your application folder, you will be able to see the icon. Just leave it there. Don't double click it or don't try to install it from here. So now go to the GitHub location that I provided in the description, and you can read the instruction here. So you can see the green button in the right side corner of this page. Just click there and download the zip file and place it in your desktop. You can see it has been downloaded to the desktop. Just unzip it, and you can see I have already downloaded before, so I have two folders by the same name. One has the has the name master on it because that's downloaded from the GitHub. You can rename it whatever you like. All you have to do it when you use the terminal. Just you have to go inside this folder to run the command. So I'm going to open my terminal and go to the folder, and I'm going to run make all. And this process will take long time when you type make all. In the screen you can see it's asking for password. It will actually take long time to ask the password. I just cut paste the video because it's a long video, and I also actually fast forward the video a lot to make it shorter. So this process will take long time, like half an hour or more than that. It depends on your CPU speed for sure. And when it's one thing to tell you, it's very important, when it's like installation process completes and the system, the VirtualBox system restarts, you have to press the enter button on your terminal. So that's how the bootable disk will be exit. Otherwise you will be in the loop to reinstall the operating system again and again. You can see the video. I ejecting, like in the terminal it says ejecting the installer DVD from virtual machine. So this you have to press enter right where the virtual machine try to restart, and the rest of the process is just it's a automatic installing process of the Mac operating system. You don't need to do anything. You just have to watch and just put your username and password and stuff. Now you may ask why somebody need a Mac OS the same version on a virtual machine, and it depends. Someone may out there need it. I need it for my job purpose. If you really need it, you can follow this video, and I'm pretty sure this will help you to install the Mac system on the virtual machine. So basically, if you follow this process, the virtual machine created by this process will not be organized well. So if you go to your home folder and if you go inside the VirtualBox VMs, you will find that all the Mac operating system virtual files and folders are scattered there. If you have other operating systems virtual machines, so I would like to organize it more. So if you know how to do it, you can do it. By this time your virtual machine operating system is already installed. But if you follow along, I will try to show you how you can organize this virtual machine hard disk in your in a root folder. Now go to your home folder and open up the VirtualBox VMs folder and copy those two files inside your Mac virtual machine folder. So open up your virtual media manager menu, and here you have to delete your previous virtual files, Mac virtual media files. So you have two files here. The one is the .efi.vdi and the another one is .vdi. You have to delete one by one. You can keep the your original files if you want, but yes, it's better you always have the backup copy before you start this process. So anyways, if you delete that, and now you can just go to your settings of your virtual machine, go to your storage and add the existing files. Now these files are the files that you copied to your virtual machine, Mac operating system virtual machine folder at the beginning of this process. So it is up to you. You like to organize your files or folder It is recommended that you organize them because it will be easier for you later on to figure out which files and folder belongs to which like virtual machine. So I always try to do it because it will be easier later on. And anyways, if you find this video helpful, you can always thumbs up, or if you have any questions you can ask me below. I will try to answer them as early as possible. Thank you very much for watching and have a good day.